So there's two ways to do this. I always prefer to go inside, like I am right now. Okay, inside here and push, and it comes out the other end here. So this is what I like to do. All right, and you can see here it's relatively straight, and I'm gonna pull these even here, these shoestrings here, they're almost even, so I like to make them even. You don't really have to do that, but you can. So you go in through here, one, okay? It creates a bar underneath. Pull this straight, okay? In here, a lot of the times it'll turn crooked, so you have to get in there and straighten it out. Pull the lace over, okay? Push it through, and there you go, it's straight. Now, take this next one here, and the one next to it, skip underneath, go here, pull it through, and there you go, underneath again, okay? Pull it straight. As you can see here, you can get in here and you can twist this around, or it's straight. See there, the bar lace. And as you can see, you pull the one here to this eyelet here. So come here, pull it straight. Underneath, you'll make a loop in here, okay? You come here, pull this straight, and what I like to do is, at the very top here, you have two options, okay? You can do this, which is what I prefer to do. So what I do is I make this last one here, like this. I make this last hole, push it straight through. I already have one underneath here. And I drop this down like this in here, okay? And then here you go. You can tie your shoe like that, so they're underneath, okay? The other way to do that is pop this here through here, and pop this one through here, and then you have the same kind of deal. And that's another option you have, okay? So this is how you bar lace dress shoes without having the pattern underneath. If you guys know a different way to bar lace, please let me know in the comments, and honestly, tag me in your videos. If y'all have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comments. What shoes do you like to bar lace? What shoes do you not like to bar lace? This is a very interesting technique, and it definitely brings a different aesthetic to a shoe than normal lacing. So please keep that in mind. For daily content, please follow my Instagram, which we link down in the description. And for more content on my channel, please subscribe. And y'all have a wonderful day.